Hello everyone, Sir EJ here. Today, I will be talking about some special features in Google Classroom that help you know what requirements and deadlines need to be met in your subject. These are the to-do list and Google Calendar. To see what needs your attention across all subjects enrolled in, click on To Do on your Google Classroom dashboard. You will see assignments with no due date, due this week, due next week, and due much later on. Focus on accomplishing what is due this week. If there are assignments with no due date, just coordinate with your advisor on how flexible accomplishing the assignment is. To see what assignments are open in a particular subject, enter the Google Classroom. For example, Science 6, and go to Classwork. Click on View Your Work, which is found on the upper part of the page. You will see all the assigned, returned, which means checked by the teacher, and missing classwork. If you'd like to see the assignments in calendar mode, which can be daily, weekly, or monthly, just go back to classwork and click on Google Calendar. Please note that quick reminders from the teacher posted on the stream will not land in the to-do list since they are not tagged by the teacher as an assignment. We recommend for you to make a physical list of reminders near your study area, or even add a task on your Google Calendar to remind you of such things. We hope these features can help you stay more on top of things as your journey in online learning continues. You're doing great, BDS family! Well, that's about it for this video. Feel free to explore Google on your own or watch our other video tutorials to learn more from us. Thank you and have an awesome day.